Today, I'm going to share 3 important things to consider when choosing a new kitchen sink. First, the configuration. Do you prefer a single bowl or a double bowl? And do you need a drain board? If you mostly use a dishwasher, a single large bowl is ideal for washing bigger items like pots and pans. But if you hand wash often, a double bowl makes life easier. One side for dirty dishes, the other for clean. Second, the size. Once you've chosen your bowl style, make sure the sink fits your cabinet space. Your cabinet maker will guide you here. They're your best resource in getting the perfect fit. Lastly, the mounting style. Top mount or under mount. For wooden or laminate countertops, a top mount is more practical and durable, especially for families or rental spaces. Under mount sinks look sleek, but they require more care to avoid long-term damage.